Hello, everyone. I am so happy you are here today. We are going to talk about your inner strength. Inner strength is deep inside your heart and mind. It helps you be brave when you feel scared. It helps you be kind even when others are not kind to you. It is a quiet and steady power. It helps you keep going when life gets hard. It helps you stand up for what is right. It helps you get back up after you fall down. Inner strength is calm and gentle, but it is also very powerful. It is the most powerful charm a person can have. What is charm? Charm is something that makes a person special. It is a special quality that draws people. It can be a beautiful smile. It can be a kind way of speaking. It is much more powerful than outside beauty or talent. It never gets old. It never goes away. It never stops being attractive. 1. Where does inner strength come from? Inner strength grows from many parts of your life. Let us look at some of them. It comes from hard times. This may surprise you, but hard moments are one of the best ways to build inner strength. When something hard happens and you get through it, you grow stronger. Every hard time you survive makes you stronger than before. Think of a tree in a storm. The wind shakes it, but the roots go deeper into the ground. It comes from knowing yourself. When you understand who you are, you build a strong foundation inside. You know what you believe in. You know what matters to you. You know what kind of person you want to be. When you know yourself well, other people's opinions do not shake you easily. You have your own solid ground to stand on. It comes from your choices. Every time you choose to do the right thing, your inner strength grows. Every time you choose to be honest, kind, and patient, you are building your strength. It comes from love. When people love us and we love them back, we feel strong. The love we give others also feeds our own inner strength. Kindness and love always come back to us in beautiful ways. 2. Inner strength makes you brave. One of the most important things inner strength does is make you brave. Being brave does not mean you are never scared. Everyone gets scared. Being brave means you feel the fear and you keep going anyway. You do the hard thing even when your heart is beating fast. Bravery from inner strength is quiet and steady. It does not shout or show off. It simply does what needs to be done, even when it is hard. And every time you are brave, your inner strength grows even more. 3. Inner strength helps you be kind. You might think kindness and strength are opposites. Maybe you think strong people are tough and kind people are soft, but this idea is wrong. True kindness needs enormous strength. When someone is rude to you, it takes real inner strength to stay calm. It takes real strength to respond with kindness. It takes strength to forgive someone who hurt you. And here is the wonderful thing. When you are kind from a place of inner strength, people can feel it. It feels warm, real, and powerful. That is the charm of inner strength at work. 4. Inner strength helps you keep going. Life is not always easy. Sometimes things do not go the way we planned. In those moments, inner strength speaks quietly inside you. It says, "Keep going. You can do this. You are not finished yet." Some of the most successful people in history failed many times. They were not special because they never fell. They were special because they always got back up. Their inner strength was their most important tool, more important than talent, more important than anything else. You have that same tool inside you. It is already there. Every time you get back up after falling, you are using it, and you are making it stronger. 5. Inner strength means knowing your worth. An important part of inner strength is knowing you have value. Not because of how you look, how smart you are, or how popular you are, but simply because you exist, simply because you are you. This is called self-respect, and it is one of the most beautiful forms of inner strength. People with self-respect have a quiet confidence. That quiet confidence is very attractive to others. It is a special charm that comes from knowing and accepting yourself. 6. How can you build your inner strength? Inner strength is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Here are some simple ways to build yours every day. Be honest. Tell the truth even when it is hard. Honesty builds strong character, and strong character is the foundation of inner strength. Face your fears. You do not have to do something big. Start small. If you are afraid of meeting new people, try smiling at someone. Small acts of courage add up over time. Spend time being quiet. Our world is always full of noise, but inner strength grows in quiet moments. Try sitting quietly for a few minutes every day. Listen to what is happening inside you. This is called mindfulness. It is a very powerful tool. Help others. When you use your strength to lift someone else up, your own strength grows too. 7. The most powerful charm in the world. The world often tells us the wrong things. It tells us we need to be beautiful, rich, or popular to be valued. Advertisements try to sell us clothes, gadgets, and products. They make us feel like we are not enough without them. But the truth is this: the most powerful charm you can ever have is already inside you. You cannot buy it. You can only grow it slowly through the choices you make every day. A person with inner strength is patient when others are in a hurry. They are calm when others are panicking. They keep going when others give up. They lift others up without needing anything in return. That kind of person is magnetic. They make the world better. They are remembered long after they are gone. Not because of how they looked or what they owned, but because of who they were. 8. Conclusion. Dear friend, I want to say something directly to you. You are stronger than you know. The hard times you have already been through have been building your inner strength, even when you did not realize it. Please be patient with yourself. Inner strength does not appear overnight. It grows slowly and quietly over time. Some days you will feel it clearly. Other days it will feel very small and far away. But it is still there. It never goes away. You will see how far you have come. You will feel that quiet, steady, powerful glow inside you. That is your inner strength. That is your charm, and it has been inside you all along. Thank you so much for listening all the way to the end. If this video helped you, please subscribe and never miss a lesson that could change your life.